Hey guys, welcome to the comparison of the world's first two 5nm chipsets, the Huawei Kirin 9000 5G versus Apple A14 Bionic 5G chip comparison. Please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification for more content. When it comes to Geekbench has long been called Apple's home, while AnTuTu is well familiar with Android smartphones. On the Geekbench platform live performance test, the Kirin 9000 had the following scores. In multi-core scores, the Kirin 9000 had 3,688, while in single-core scores, it had 1,016 scores. And now, let's move on to Apple A14 Bionic, where on multi-core scores, the A14 Bionic had 4,198 scores, and single-core scores was 1,583. However, a change to AnTuTu platform saw a different ballgame. In the overall AnTuTu scores, the Huawei Kirin 9000 chip had 693,605 scores, while the Apple A14 Bionic chip had 660,038 scores. The GPU, CPU, and memory speed scores between these two chipsets on AnTuTu, the Huawei Kirin 9000 had the upper hand, except on the user experience where the A14 Bionic chip is superior. It is safe, therefore, to say the Kirin 9000 is the current king of AnTuTu, pending when Samsung and Qualcomm would release their 5nm chipset later this year. Other comparisons between these two chipsets are as follows.